When the insulators are done, our drywall hangers are right on their heels. And these guys are the ones who really benefit from that lighter wallboard we talked about last week. They spread out over a section of the house at a time and quickly cover up the bare studs with crisp, clean drywall. Not that it's a clean process, the dust that drywall hanging generates makes it almost as messy as the finishing that follows.
All right, don't drop any mud on me here, Mark. Now, you know, I've owned this house for a couple years, and I've walked through it 100 different times, looking at the old plaster walls that used to be all over the existing house. Then for about a month, I had to look at all of the just bare studs and all the wires. It just didn't seem like we would ever get the drywall up. I'm very happy right now that it has all of the drywall in place, except for one or two places, and you can see some of the ugliness of the old house. This is the back side of the fireplace. It's bricks with a plaster coat over it, a lot of peeling paint. We'll scrape that off and we'll glue a thinner drywall to the wall, 1/4 inch. Then the finishers can go ahead and complete all of their work, and they're making a lot of progress upstairs. Now, one of the things we have to do at this stage in the project is make sure the drywall hangers didn't cover anything up. And you can see there's a lot of opportunities for that with all of the recessed lights. We have vents, we have speaker wires, we have alarm wires, just about all kinds of ways that these things can be covered up. Now, if you catch it right now by looking at the electrical plan, and you can see all of the different outlets and so forth that are part of this wiring plan, if you catch it now, it's easy to find the plug or find the outlet and correct it before we trim and paint and put cabinets up. It is really sad when you have to find an outlet at that point in the game. But right now, the guys that'll dominate the inside of this project are drywall finishers.
This is one of those jobs that can't be rushed or interrupted. It just takes time. Putting on layer after layer of joint compound to conceal the seams where one panel meets another. It's a deceiving job because at first glance it looks pretty easy, but one that few people can really do well.